I'm here at Lucky Eagle Casino, and I'm gonna play the 1 million degrees deluxe, and I'm only betting 50 cents. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I saw somebody playing this game yesterday, and he hit approximately like $300 and something on a 50-cent bet. So I wanted to give it a try and see if I could maybe come close to it, or even like $100 would be great. But see what I can do. So I got $100 in, 1 cent in 50 cent spin. Here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that he did get 3 games when he was playing, and he got about a bazillion and 3 games. So I've never played this game before, so I don't even know how he got that many spins. Okay, so my girlfriend is here now. She's laughing at me because I have hiccups. I finally decided to record a session, and all of a sudden I have hiccups, so I can't hold the camera straight.
Oh, me either, apparently. Okay, here we go.
So she's gonna hold it for me now.
It's on your face. Okay, sorry, guys.
My bad.
Oh,
Oh, there it goes again.
hold your breath.
I'm trying.
Hold your breath.
I'm trying. Oh,
Oh. Have you won anything?
everyone, jizzle. Oh, but I only put in $100. So
Okay,
I'm
that's
only at
alright.
95.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
you see?
How you bet that?
I'm a rip bet.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Pay attention.
I know, I was looking at somebody else.
Oh, you heard that? Y'all heard that?
This is bonus.
She was looking at somebody else. She just said she was looking. Oh, she said she was looking at somebody else. Oh,
Whatever.
bad
Only have
girlfriend.
eyes free.
Bad girlfriend.
I
Bad
was looking at a
girlfriend.
bonus. Get one
Trying.
so we can see.
I'm trying.
Okay. It's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That should have been a bonus
Could have.
or something. Oh. I'm gonna take it to 80.
80.
And
All right.
that's
Take it
all.
to the head.
If I don't get anything
cents.
by 80, I can't help it. I have hiccups.
Oh,
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Freaking.
Oh.
Oh.
Go for it.
Who is wishing me bad thoughts? I want to know. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh. And he happy hiccups.
Hold your breath.
I can't. I'm trying.
Oh. I'm gonna go there.
What? What happened?
I'm gonna go right here.
Oh, she left me, guys. She left me. Okay, so I have hiccups, and my phone is gonna be. I can't hold it. Phone's so straight, right? hiccupy. But sorry, I'm trying my best. I'm only gonna go down to 80. And then if I get down to 80, I'm talking now. Okay? Trying to get a bonus because I saw somebody yesterday playing this game. And he got bulk dress. And it was like pretty high bonus. $300 or something like that. So trying to see if I can maybe. Nope. There it is. There it is. See guys? See? Patience and perseverance. Oh my god, my hiccups are going driving nuts. Okay, that's it. Sorry, I don't want to make y'all dizzy. I'm holding my own phone, so I gotta push. I'm gonna push the middle. Bam. 10 free games. Bam. 7. Let's do this one. 10. Okay. I'll do a corner. This corner over here. Oh, 12. Let's do right next between here. +5. Oh my god, my hiccups are crazy. Let's do this one. Oh, 15. Holy moly. I wish I had some help, but I don't. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go over here. This is an odd place. 7. Oh no. I don't want 7. Oh, next to 12. Right next to 12. Times a multiplier. Okay. Since the middle row looks almost all the way full, let's fill it up. 12 and 12. I got 12. 12 guys. Okay, 17 free game with a 3 times multiplier. Let's see what I can get. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. So far, I've only won 50 cents. 80 cents. Oh my god, these hiccups. Oh, okay. I'm at $3.20. Ooh, that was $7.50. That was great. Oh, $21.75. That's awesome. On a 50-cent bet, you can't beat that. Well, you can't beat that, but you can. Uh-oh. Oh shoot, I'm sorry about my hiccups. I just... 2 more games. 3 games. Oh! Oh, last game. That's right. $34.25. That's amazing for me for a 50-cent bet. Not as much as that man I saw playing this game yesterday, but it'll do for now. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you go, and if I do hit something else, I will make another video about it. Catch you soon. Peace out.